Hi everyone, today we're gonna make chicken rice soup called samgyetang. Usually Korean people put ginseng and jujube and all the veggie and rice, but today I'm gonna make simple version. Prepare whole chicken any size you want and wash clean. Prepare 1 cup of glutinous rice, and some part of it you can put it inside the chicken. If you want to put it garlic and carrot, you can put it inside it too. Tie the chicken leg. Make sure rice and stuff not coming out of the chicken. Put the chicken inside the pot and add 1 onion, 2 inch ginger, 2 tablespoons garlic, and add 2 bay leaves. Add black pepper and half tablespoon salt. Extra carrot and green onion both optional. Add remaining rice inside the pot and now ready to cook. Set an Instant Pot with a high pressure cook function 30 minutes. Remove bad oil before you serve. Chicken is ready. Add salt and black pepper as you need.